Hey everybody, Zach here from Zach Stuff. I want to show you the Benchmade 9400 Auto Osborne today. Let's take a quick look around the knife. You can see some of the features that they've brought over from the classic 940 series. Worn Osborne design. You can see a couple of the changes as well. Now I'm really excited for this one. It's a push button automatic. Look at how snappy that is. Just fires right out. It's ready to go. I'm excited for this one. So let's look at some of the things that they've changed. You know, they've removed the thumb stud that usually is here. They've brought this design over into the push button. And you can see from the push button that it's going to be just a little bit, we'll do it from this side so you can see it from the scale. It's going to be a little bit taller than the scale. So one of the things that they've included is a safety switch. And it's a back, it's kind of that back spacer, spine, safety switch that they've included on some of their other knives. And to me, it's a great feature. You have your knife deployed, using it for a lot of cuts. Maybe you have gloves on. You don't want to accidentally bump this or have it, hit against the material. You slide that lock up, it's solid. It's not going to close on you whatsoever. Also the same feature if it's in your pocket. You're going to throw this in your gear. Throw it in your bag, something like that. You don't want it firing open while it's in there. Slide that lock up. It's not going anywhere. Go to use it, you're good to go. Now, some of the things that they've brought over from the classic one, the aluminum scales, the purple anodized back spacer, beautiful. Now that pop of green that's on here, this is the classic one. They're continuing the 6061 T6 aluminum, anodizing it green. And during the anodizing, they have that light texture to it. Really, really light texture. Some people, it takes a little bit to get used to. But as they've found out, the more you use this, the further down the road it goes, it breaks in. It becomes smooth. It's like breaking in your favorite pair of shoes, You get that knife feature. This is my knife now. It's broken in. But I have to say, I'm super excited about this push button one. So I hope you guys are as well. Let's talk about some of the stats on this one. Now, the blade length on this is 3.4 inches. The CPM S30V blade steel. And it's in the reverse Tonto shape. And it's classic 940 design. I love it. I know a lot of people like it because it's got just that length to it, and it's got the pointiness and the sharpness of the blade. So it's great for, poking into things, getting your cut started, all sorts of that stuff. And it's got that long, sleek feature, Overall length on this is 7.8 inches. A closed length is 4.4 inches. And a weight on this one is 2.6 ounces. And we'll just double check the weight. I'm sure it's going to be pretty darn close. 2.67 ounces. So super lightweight for what you're getting in a push button auto. Classic 940 design, the 9400 Auto Osborne. 20-year anniversary. Can't beat this one. So price is coming in about $230 most places. One of the things that you can modify yourself without having to worry about any warranty is the pocket clip. Now this comes with the split arrow pocket clip. You can carry it right-handed, which is set up for right now. You can switch it to the other side. If you're a lefty, carry it left-handed. The only thing you're going to have if you're a lefty is you're going to be pulling the knife out. It's going to be in your left hand like this. You will have to actuate it with your index finger, but it will deploy and it will work just fine. Takes a little bit of getting used to, but it can be used both ways. Now, one of the things you can do to modify this clip, Benchmade makes a couple different clips. They have the standard 3-hole design. Many different clips that they offer will fit on that. So you can switch it out to whichever works for you. I like this one actually for the fact that it leaves a little bit to purchase. So you're going to be having about that much of the blades or that much of the knife stick up out of your pocket. That's good to go. So anyways, I hope you guys like this one. I'm excited for it. Don't forget to go to knivesillustrated.com, sign up for the newsletter. You guys take care.